Hello friends. As you may or may not know, we have been living aboard for 2 years but have recently acquired a new yacht. This yacht is all the way over in Tacoma, Washington, and we have to get her back home to North Idaho. So these are the things that keep us awake at night, and this is where we are today. We have two options to get this beast home. One is over in Tacoma, we haul her out and we do a tragic and major teardown. We have to take the upper roof off of the Sky Lounge, all of the glass out, the helm, then the second roof, which actually leaves the galley completely exposed. We have to build a plywood roof for that for shipping, as well as all of that glass. And it's probably going to take 2 trailers to get her home. One for the boat, another trailer for the 2 tops, and then reassembly. Now, here's our other option. And it's a little crazy, but bear with me here. The other option is we motor her down the Washington coast to the dreaded Columbia Bar. If you haven't heard of it, it is the most dangerous river entrance in the entire world. And we can then motor up the Columbia River, through the locks, to the Snake, to eventually make it all the way to Lewiston, Idaho, where hopefully we will have less teardown in order to get her home. So right now, in talking to our transport guy, Brad, he is gonna pre-run that route with a 20-foot feeler pole, and hopefully he's not gonna hit anything. If he is, then we figure out if we can do a less extensive teardown and get her home. So this is our dilemma. If you have experience with this, input, if you just want to cheerlead for us, because goodness knows we need all the help we can get, oh my gosh, please comment, like, subscribe, and as always, we love you people.